What's up, guys? It's Matt over at Speed House. I want to thank you for tuning back in. Today we have this blue F82 behind us returning for some more work. No, I'm not Trevor. He is currently out in Vegas enjoying himself. We let him have some time off, and I don't know why. Because I don't belong behind this. I just belong with a wrench in hand working on these things. So some upgrades that it's going to be getting is all of this Mishimoto stuff. We have charge pipes, top mount, a new J pipe, a catch can, a front mount, and a new oil cooler. And I know that all this stuff up top is all color matched to Yas Marina Blue, just like we did with these front mount intakes. We will be getting some clips of those intakes as well. We've been asked about that, so follow along in this video and you'll see that there at the end. We'll get some driver clips. Stunning car, repeat customer, love it. Stay tuned and we'll get started. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. There we go. Now we get to some of the nice blue pieces. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's see what else we got. Fittings for catch can. Yep, 2-port catch can. Not gonna completely unbag that. We'll get to it once we are at that point. This guy's got a whole plethora of parts here. License plate bracket. There we go. Some more blue piping. I am not with it today, guys, not at all. Alright. Well, there's you guys a preview. There's another box back here. What else did it bring me? Alright, well, we got some. Looks like we will also be filming some taillights from Bay Optics. Replace the black ones that are currently on the car. Well, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna move this camera over on a stand and get this car up in the air. Let's do it. Alright, so next, now that we have the top side wrapped up with the top mount intercooler and the charge pipes, we're going to start doing the oil cooler, and then I'll come back later after we complete this and I will pull the front bumper off and we'll get ready to do the front heat exchanger and the nice color match brace that he got. So, also want to make note that I've already drained the oil out of the car for this. We're going to go ahead and do an oil and filter change while we're at it. That's draining. Go ahead and unbox the new one. Got dual brackets for the passenger side, single bracket over for the driver's side, new fittings. Pop your old grommets and washers out. guys, thanks for tuning in. This is our F82. We just finished installation of several parts. In the back we have Bay Optics new CSL taillights. They are super sick. Absolutely love them. If you guys need to make a set for my M5, that'd be great.
So much nicer.
Love that new design. Under the hood, lots of color matching pieces this go around. So we have a Mishimoto top mounts. We have charge pipes. We have a front mount heat exchanger, which is kind of hard to see, but behind the grills and the bumper and all that. We have a color match front brace, and we also have a oil cooler. All from Mishimoto, all bigger stuff, and color match to the car. All in all, looks great. Now we just need to give this thing a bath, give it back to our customer, and send it on its way and let them enjoy it.